Hello, welcome to Spy Money. I'll show you today's bot. There is someone in our group that had been playing with some strategies back and forth and stuff, and he came up with something that he wanted to include in on a bot. So I listened to him and I made it and run it today. He has been running this for several weeks, manually doing it, and we put it into the bot, and the bot did exactly what he's doing manually. This is untouched. It's trading ES. It's on 10 contracts. We traded it from, as you can see here, the first trade was at 9:47, only because that's just when we turned it on. And he runs it from an hour before open and an hour after open. So 8:30 to 10:30 Eastern time is what he's been doing. And so I went ahead and did it. I was an unbeliever, and it's actually working really well. All his stats, he showed me every day his stats. It's 100% win rate is what he's getting. If you run this in the London session, it does very well. It takes a while to get going, but he has found that if you run this in the evening, you can run this in London and US up until about 10:30, and it does well, maybe 11. In the afternoon, it does not do very well. So statistics are showing that it's doing good. It has a very high win rate, and it's doing very well. So today we run it. We've done it on a live stream, and just all of us sat and watched it. And at $3,350 profit, 10 contracts. That's $5,000 per trade. And so it come up to be what about 70% profit of your trade, roughly. I don't know the numbers, but it is 100% win rate. I'm gonna go ahead and bring up the strategy performance, and this runs on the oops. This runs on the Sweet Scalper, and you can see there's 100% win rate. I've never had any bot ever do 100% win rate. This is just incredible to me. It did 11 trades, $3,350 is what it did. Average trade was $304.55, and the largest winning trade was $375. So it kind of varies a little bit. It depends on slippage. 100% win rate, incredible. He has been doing this for several weeks. He runs this on multiple Apex accounts. He posts his profits every day. His target is to make $800 a day. I think he's running 4 or 5 contracts. That's what he's doing, but I just put 10 for an even number, $5,000 a trade if it works good. I'm okay trading $5,000 a trade on this. So it did really well. I was really pleased. 99 profit factor, unheard of. 99 profit factor. Yes, this is real. This will be a bot that we could run every day. From the looking at the past, he has found that the win rate is just been 100% every day. For the last couple of weeks, he's run this, and it's just working out really well. So it's only at the Ninja Suite. So how do you get into the Ninja Suite? A lot of people want to make money but don't know how um, to actually get in, and to get in with a group that's actually doing well. And so let's just show you how to get in. So you go to spymoneylse.com, go up here to the Ninja Suite. When you click on that, it's going to open up. You can click right here to lease it. You don't have to read everything. And down here, just gives a little idea of what we do. SpyBot Sweet Scalper is the bot that I just showed you. We have the Discord room, live training. Today we streamed for from 8:15 this morning, so we streamed for about 2 hours this morning. And here's a lot of the questions I get daily. Just read through those. You can scan through that. If you have any as far as funded accounts and such, it does work on funded accounts. We have a trade copier that trades across the board too. The best one is Apex. Right now they have 50% off. If you click on this and scroll down, the one that you want is the $50,000 one. You can do more, but the $50,000 is all you need. Right here is a coupon code for 50%. So whenever you put this in, it'll bring it down to $83.50. So we go back. We also have a UProfit account. If you click on that, it'll give you 40% off when you click that link. So you scroll down. In my opinion, I think the 50 is all you need. Maybe the 100 on this one. 100 might do a little bit better, but the problem is your profit target. You're only 2,500 here. You're 6,000 there. So really, and you get 6 contracts. That's plenty. And we go back. This breaks it down. It shows a comparison between the two. I think Apex is by far the best one of the two. And if you have any questions, contact me here. Put in your name, email, your phone number if you want me to call you back. Put in what time is best for you. Put it in Eastern time so I know what time to call you. And if I can, I'll call you during that time. If you just have questions, just post your questions in, and then I'll answer them back promptly. So to get back to the Ninja Suite, just go there, click on the button in order to, if I can get it there. My internet's been a little slow today, but you click on this button and it will take you to a secure shopping cart, and you can go ahead and get signed in and get started today. A lot of people ask, how long does it take to get through the program and this and that before you start making money? It all depends. Some people are one day, some people are a couple of days. Most everybody is within a week. They're trading live accounts and making money. So it does really well. Again, we are at 33.50, and we would have actually had possibly another trade in here, but I paused it. 33.50 is a good day. That's over 50% win rate, or not win rate, but over 50% profit. And if we can make 50% on profit, I believe that you ought to just take it and walk away. That's a good profit target to hit. But if you have any questions, let me know. Be happy to help you. Freed up most of the day so we can talk and get you started today. We do have a full backup. So as soon as you lease it, you can just import everything that imports all the bots, indicators, everything. It takes about a minute or so to do that. Let me know if you have questions. Have a great day.